नमस्कार, आजच्या बातमीपत्रामध्ये आपणा सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे। बघूयात आजच्या ठळक घडामोडी।
Lattice Semiconductor, a leader in low-power programmable semiconductors, today announced the opening of its new, state-of-the-art research and development site in Pune, India. Also in attendance were Ford Tamer CEO, Praveen Desalegh, Senior Vice President, R&D, Essam Alashmawi, Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer, Mark Nelson, Senior Vice President, Worldwide Sales, Divyesh Shah, Senior Vice President, Global Operations and Quality, Tanya Stevens, Interim Chief Financial Officer, and others. The site will play a key role in advancing the company's research and development initiatives, including a strong and growing low-power FPGA portfolio supporting its 11,000 customers worldwide.
We founded 40 years ago in Hillsboro, Oregon, and we have offices worldwide. We have offices in areas like in San Jose, California. We've got offices worldwide in Penang, Malaysia, Manila, Philippines, Shanghai, China, as well as various places in Europe, USA, and Asia. And Pune is our latest design center. We're very excited to be here. We opened up about 8 months ago. We service 11,000 customers across a large customer base, from data center to industrial, to automotive, to robotics, to consumer. We are a high volume supplier of what's called FPGAs, field programmable gate arrays. We ship about 200 to 250 million units a year, depending on the year. We are listed on the NASDAQ, and finished last year with, actually we haven't announced the numbers yet, but we expectations are around 500 million in revenue and about 1,100 employees worldwide. I'll take you through both short-term and long-term plans. So we started creating the center about 8 months ago, and we've made some very fast progress. We are already at 70 employees and expect to pass the 100 employees benchmark in the next few months. Our long-term plan is to continue to invest in Pune. We expect to invest over the next few years about $100 million US dollars. Our long-term plan is to have skills all the way from silicon design to software development, including soft IP and tools, solutions, AI, as well as system board and solutions, sales, and field application engineering.
What is the reason select to Pune in India?
Pune is a tremendous education base, so very good colleges and universities, very good access to talented workforce, and our team has had experience in opening up Pune Design Center multiple times in the past. Would you want to add?
Yes. So
how much growth in
hold on. Let's finish the answer.
Question. As Ford mentioned, a combination of access to really top-notch talent as well as academia, but combine that with, as he talked about, our industry focus is automotive, industrial, robotics, and we see tremendous amount of innovation happening in those sectors in and around Pune and in and around Maharashtra. So obviously we look forward to collaborate with our customers, and so that was the primary reason for us to focus on Pune. In fact, today we just are coming out of a meeting with academia, number of professors around the campuses here, and that certainly is part of us giving back to the ecosystem to be able to collaborate with innovators. And as the team discussed, the products we sell, more we provide the access, more innovation industry can continue. So it's not just about us hiring the employees. That's certainly one objective, but longer term objective is more people and more companies use our products. They can innovate faster and they can solve the problems themselves, and then we therefore help enable solving their problems.
मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंगच्या बाबतीत जाणून घ्यायचं होतं की भारतात का नाही होऊ शकत, काय प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत भारतात मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करण्यासाठी
चिप मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग का
त्यांच्याकडे
हां सो चिप मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग
त्यांना जर विचारलं तर
Huh. So the question he's saying is, what are the structural problems? Maybe it's for Devesh and you. What are the structural problems to manufacturing semiconductors locally in India?
Yeah, so I think India has now done a huge investment on the software design side of things. I think the manufacturing now is starting. So like Tata's is doing a project with PowerChip. They're going to set up a fab in India. There are quite a few OSATs now starting to look at the back end part of it. I think in this area, probably some of the other Southeast Asian countries probably got an early start. The fact that India has so much of talent, I think, is a good opportunity for them to catch up over here in manufacturing now.
What is your sales strategy?
I'm sorry,
What is your marketing and sales strategy?
Yeah, so from a marketing perspective, we build very differentiated FPGAs focused on what we call low and mid-range FPGAs. And these FPGAs are very differentiated in a few aspects. Number one is they're the absolute lowest power FPGAs that are out there. And if you look at a lot of the applications that are being built today, they require that low power. The other is we've got the most state-of-the-art security, so we enable security type applications. We also have the smallest form factor. So if you look at the size of our FPGAs, comparable to other FPGAs from our competitors with the same similar type functionality, our size could be 6 to 10 times smaller, physical size smaller. And we do that and providing the customer with even in some cases higher performance as well. So we go to market with these very differentiated products. And from a sales side, I'll let Mark comment.
Sure. So we sell into local India companies, especially as as more and more local demand. We also sell into multinational corporations that have design centers here as well as abroad and need to work together across the world. And then we also work with the whole ecosystem of partners here, from semiconductor companies to independent design houses. And we sell to those customers through a combination of our own sales and field application engineers that work directly with customers to implement their designs. We also work with distribution partners to be able to touch many more customers. And then, like I said, also with design houses locally that also touch customers and help them design.